Hello my dear student, I am going to start next topic of chapter 8, that is how to organism reproduce. In this chapter we already learned about the reproduction. Reproduction are two types. First one is the asexual and second one is the sexual reproduction. Two types of the reproduction in this chapter we are studying. First already learned in the previous videos about the asexual reproduction. Today I am going to start sexual reproduction, which is important for the continuation of the life on the earth by different organism. So today I am going to start sexual reproduction in plant. The first introduction, what is sexual reproduction? What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is the fusion of gametes that each from parents in the form of male gamete and female gamete make a fused gamete called sexual reproduction. So once again, fusion of two gamete, one from each parents are called sexual reproduction. Fusion of gamete, that is male and female gamete. So the process of fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. Process of fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. जब मेल और फीमेल गैमेट आपस में फ्यूज्ड होते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं क्या? फर्टिलाइजेशन. एंड दिस फर्टिलाइजेशन एंड formation of gametes involve in the exchange of chromosomal fragments from one parent to next parent, and that cause genetic recombination which leads to variation in the organism. This formation of gametes cause the transfer of genetic material also as well as chromosomal fragments, and that's involved in the exchanges of this chromosomal fragments that lead cause of genetic recombination which cause variation in between the organism. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन क्या है? सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया जिसमें मेल और फीमेल गैमेट फ्यूज्ड होते हैं, और जो प्रोसेस है मेल और फीमेल गैमेट के फ्यूजन का उसको हम लोग फर्टिलाइजेशन कहते हैं. और जब गैमेट का फॉर्मेशन होता है तो वहाँ पे एक्सचेंज होता है किसका? क्रोमोसोमल फ्रेगमेंट का, जो कि काज करता है जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन का, और वही शो करता है क्या? वेरिएशन बिटवीन द organism. This is introduction about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. We are studying about the reproduction, that is asexual and sexual. Next topic, sexual reproduction in plant. Mostly this sexual reproduction it takes place in flowering plant. So we can say flowers are the main reproductive part of the plant. So once sexual reproduction occur only in the flowering plant, already I told, and as well as flowers are the reproductive organ of plants. Reproductive organ of plant. Flower are two types, unisexual flower and bisexual flower. Unisexual, only one reproductive organ present in a plant is called unisexual, and here bisexual, both male and female reproductive part, the testamen and carpel is present at same plants are called bisexual. Here example hibiscus and mustard. And multiple fission, Multiple fission parent cell divide into the many daughter cell, for example in the plasmodium. So this is general introduction of sexual reproduction in flowering. It occurs only in the flowering plant. So flowers are the reproductive organ of plant. Flower are two types, unisexual and bisexual. Unisexual means only one sex cell present in as the reproductive part in a particular plant. In a bisexual, both male and female reproductive part present, that is stamen and carpel both. For example, hibiscus and mustard. Here multiple fission parent cell divide into many daughter cells. For example, plasmodium. Next topic, this is the part of the flowers which involve in the sexual reproduction. A typical flower mainly consists of four main holes, that is namely calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. That is calyx means sepal, corolla means petal and androecium means stamen and gynoecium means carpels. These are the major four holes of the flower, that is sepal, petal, stamen and carpel, calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Here I prepared a figure, you can see. This is ovule, sepal, petal, filament, stamen, and that anther, stigma. Here is style, that is ovary. This is the general feature of the part of the flowers which shows the different characteristic feature of the flower. Sepal, petal, stamen and carpels are the major part of the flower which help in the reproduction process takes place in flower. Here next, reproductive part of flower, main stamen and carpel. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower and carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower. Stamen male and carpel is the female reproductive part of flower. So stamen is further divided into filament, that is filament and anther. Anther further go to by the process of meiosis form the pollen grain in the male stamen, and carpel are divided into style, ovary and stigma. This ovary after premature form egg cell, that is ovule, female reproductive, that is ovary, male egg and this pollen grain. This is the general रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है फ्लावर का, जिसमें स्टेमन और कार्पल होते हैं. स्टेमन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट, कार्पल फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. स्टेमन में फर्दर डिवाइड होता है फिलामेंट और एंथर में. एंथर मियोसिस प्रोसेस करके पोलन ग्रेन का फॉर्मेशन करता है मेल में, और कार्पल में फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है जो कि स्टाइल, ओवरी और स्टिग्मा डिवाइड होता है. ओवरी क्या करता है, मैच्योर होकर एक सेल का फॉर्मेशन करता है जिसको ओव्यूल भी कहते हैं हम लोग, एंड फीमेल. तो दिस इज जनरल. व्हाट इज योर work of pollen grain? Pollen grain is transported by the process of pollination from anther to stigma, that is pollination. Pollination are two types, cross pollination and self pollination, and neither is the medium of the pollination, wind, water and etc., which is responsible for the transferring of pollen grain from anther to stigma. When this pollen grain transported to the stigma have the pollen tube in their style, that sex cell go into the ovary, fuse together and form a zygote by the process of fertilization. After fertilization, that flower is mature and divided into their many parts that form the zygote. So this is general introduction of plant, sexual reproduction in plant. Next is the part of the flower, which show the ovary, style, stigma and extra in the next video. Thank you.